about question number one. Question number one here. The next in the pattern here, root 3, root 12, root 27, root 48. Square root of 3, 12 equal 4 times 3. Square root of 4 will be 2 and write 3 here. 27 equal 9 times 3, write 3 here and write 3 outside. 48, we can write 3 times 16. Square root of 16 it will be 4. And the 3, then the next number here it will be 5 root 3. We must write 5 root 3, or you can write 25 times 3. The result will be 25 times 3 will 75. Choose letter B. Question number 2. The point -3 and 4 lies in the first quadrant. We have first, second, third, fourth quadrant. First here positive and positive, negative and positive, negative and negative, positive and negative. We have negative and positive, negative and positive in the what in the second degree. Choose letter B. If y varies inversely with x, about question number 3, y varies inversely with x, then y equal m over x and m not equal 0. We want to find what's the constant here, m. Put y equal 2 over 3 and x was root 3, then m will equal 2. The constant here will be equal to. Choose letter C. Question number 4. The point E and 3 is located on the straight line which represents the function f r to r. We have f of x, 4x minus 5. This point pointing to this function, this point will be satisfy this function. Then put x equal e and y equal 3. Y here it will be f of x. F of x we called it the image y. 3 equal 4 product x, 4 times a minus 5. You can move negative 5 here. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 equal 4a, then a equal 8 divided by 4, it will be equal to. The value of a here equal to. Question number 5. Space is the one with the measure of separation. We call what? We have range and standard deviation. Choose letter C. Standard deviation. Question number 6. If x plus 1 all power 2 is one of the linear factors of expression x power 2 minus 1 power 2 is the other factor. Okay, we can write the first here x power 2 minus 1 all power 2. We can factorize this. Write x power 2 minus 1 product x power 2 minus 1. Then he give us x plus 1 all power 2. We can find the factorizing here about this expression. Okay, he give us one of the linear factors of the equation. Okay, you can factorize here x minus, complete with me, x minus 1 product by x plus 1, and this expression you can write x minus 1 product by x plus 1. Then you can find product between two like terms here. About this expression we can is the power x minus 1 or power 2 product by x plus 1 times x plus 1 will be x plus 1 or power 2. He give us in the result the first factor was x plus 1 power 2, then the next will be what? You can write x minus 1 power 2. It's the second of the other factor. Okay, x minus 1 power 2. Choose letter A about this example number 6. Question number 2. We have relation between two seats x and y. X equal 2, 3, 5, and y equal 4, 6, 8, and 10. We have twice a equal p. Then the relation equal 2 times a equal p. 2 times 2 equal 4. Here then we can write 2 and 4. Write 3. 2 times 3 equal 6. Here write 5. 5 times 2 equal 10. the relation here. Okay, we can write the relation in arrow diagram. Draw the arrow diagram here. To vertical, and you can use ruler to draw first x and y, 2 and 3 and 5, y 4, 6, 8 and 10, 2 and 4, 3 and 6, 5 and 10. The image here 10. Okay, show that our function, yes, because every element in x has only one image at y. Okay, question letter B. If x over y equal 2 over 3, find the value of this expression 3x plus 2y over 6y subtract by x. We can put here constant m and x equal 3m. When m constant not equal 0, then x equal 3m and y equal 2m. You can here write m and m. Where m constant not equal 0, then x will be 2m and y equal 3m. Put here in this expression the numerator 3 times x equal 2m, plus 2 times y equal 3m, 6 times y equal 3m, subtract by x equal 2m. 3 times 2 equals 6, 6m. 2 times 3 equals 6, 6m. 6 times 3 equal 18m, subtract 2m. 6 plus 6 equal 12, 12m. 18 minus 2 equals 16m, cancel. And symbols divided by 4 equal 3. Result will be 3 over 4. Is the simplest expression. Okay. Question number 3, letter A. We have the Cartesian product between x and y equals set of 1 and 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 5. You want to find x, the first 1 and 1 and 1, it will be 1 only, and y equal 1, 3, 5. And then we can find y Cartesian product with x. We can replace them, right? 1 to 1. Okay, 1 and 1. The first order 1 and 1, 3 and 1, 5 and 1. Okay, and he want y2, meaning y Cartesian by itself, 1, 3 and 5, Cartesian by 1 and 3 and 5. You can complete this 1 by 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 3 by 1, 3 by 3, 3 by 5, 5 by 1, 5 by 3, and 5 by 5. Okay, next example, letter B. If t21x subtract by y equal 7x minus z equal y over z, we want to prove that y direct direction between y, we want to prove that y direct versely with z. We can use this properties, product of extremes equal product of means. Z product by 21x subtract by y equal y product by 7x minus z. 21x times z will be 21xz subtract by y times z will be yz. Y times 7x will be 7xy. Y times z will be yz. You can cancel this by this. and cancel x by x, then 21z will be equal 7y, and then you can divide it by 7. Divided by 7 here and 7 here. 21 divided by 7 equal 3, 3z equal y. Then we have the values inversely, direct inversely with y and z. We can cancel the constant here, 3 and y. Okay, you can write y equal 3z, and then you can cancel equals and 3 and this sign right here. Next example, letter A. If f of x was equal 4x plus b, and third f of x was equal 5, you want to find the value of b. In this function, we can find here f of x, it will be 15. 15 times third, it will be 5. Okay. Okay, he want to find what? He give us third of, he gives us in this example third f of 3 equal 5. It's meaning what? F of 3, it will be 3 times 5, 15. In this function, put x equals 3, then f of 3 here equal 4 times 3 equal 12 plus b. The result will be equal 15. Then b will be 3. The value of b equal 3. If a and b and c are continuous proportional, prove that left hand side equal right hand side here. Okay, we have continuous proportional, it's meaning a over b equal b over c equal c over d equal constant m, and m constant not equal 0. Then we can determine a was equal d in power 3, and b equal d in power 2, and c equal dm. The left hand side here we have a power 2 subtract by 3 c power 2 over p power 2 subtract 3 d power 2. Okay, you can write a here was dm power 3, write dm power 3 or power 2 subtract by 3 c power 2 d power 2 in power 2, put dm here power 2 d power 2 in power 2, and b power 2, b was dm power 2 or power 2 subtract by 3d power 2, and then you can write here d power 2 distribute of the power to variables here, d power 2 in power 6 subtract 3d power 2 in power 2, and here write d power 2 in power 4 subtract by 3 d power 2. You can write the head common factor between them, d power 2 in power 2. The result will be here in power 4 subtract by 3 only. Okay, this term divided this term, the result will be 3. And write in the numerator d power 2 height common factor between them. The result will be m power 4 minus 3. You can cancel this expression by this expression, d power 2 divided by 2 1. The result here will be m power 2. Okay, and left hand side here, he give us b over d. b here was equal dm power 2 over power 2. You can cancel over d, you can cancel d by d, then the result will be m power 2. The left hand side equal right hand side equal m power 2. Question, you can solve it, it's easy for you. Find division for the value. And next question, letter B, represent graphically this function. F of x was equal x minus 3 over 2, and they give us the intervals. The first interval from 0 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Put 0 here. 0 minus 3 negative 3 power 2 it will be 9. 1 minus 3 negative 2 power 2 it will be 4. 2 minus 3 negative 1 power 2 1. 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 3 1 power 2 1. 5 minus 3 2 power 2 4. 6 minus 3 3 power 2 9. And then you can draw the function here from 0 to 9 and 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 4, 2 to 1, 3 to 0, 4 to 1, 5 to 4, 6 to 9, it's a function, okay? And you won't find the line symmetry. The line symmetry here about this function. We can write the result again. We have the vertex was 3 and 0. Then x equal 3, it's the line symmetry. And it will be minimum, the value of minimum, it will be equal 0. The minimum value it will be equal 0.